In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove user from HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside HubSpot to deactivate a user, which is how HubSpot handles removing someone from your account. Deactivation stops their access while preserving data like emails, notes, and deal history. I'll also share quick tips to avoid surprises so you can keep your CRM clean and compliant. Start by opening the HubSpot login page and signing in. If your organization uses Google Single Sign-On, click Sign In with Google. When Google's account chooser appears, select the correct account and proceed. If you sign in another way, that's fine too. The next steps are the same. Once you land in your HubSpot portal, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile avatar. That opens a menu with personal and account settings you'll use to manage users. From that dropdown, choose Profile and Preferences to open the settings area. On the left sidebar of settings, find and click Users and Teams. This is where all users, roles, and team assignments live. Give the list a second to load if you have many teammates. Locate the person you want to remove. It helps to use the search bar at the top if your list is long. Hover over their row to reveal options, then look for the Actions menu on the right side of that row. Click Actions, then choose Deactivate User. This tells HubSpot to revoke that person's access and, if applicable, free up any paid seat they were occupying. Their past activities remain on records, so reporting and timelines stay intact. If you're deactivating someone who owns contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, consider reassigning those items first so nothing gets stuck. After you pick Deactivate, follow any on-screen prompts HubSpot presents to complete the process. In most cases, it's a quick confirmation and you're done. If the Deactivate button appears grayed out, HubSpot is blocking the action, most commonly because you're the only user in the account or you don't have sufficient permissions. An account needs at least one active super admin, so you can't deactivate the last one. Work with your administrator to make sure that requirement is met, then return to this screen to proceed. As a final housekeeping tip, check automations like sequences, workflows, and scheduled emails owned by that user, and transfer ownership to keep your processes running smoothly. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to remove a user from your HubSpot CRM by deactivating their account while keeping your data intact.